shadows must come into the light. Though the truth is patient, it always comes into sight.